full Instagram reel to your story is a great way to share your longer content with your followers directly through your story feed. This can help in increasing the visibility and engagement of your reels. Here's how to do it step by step. Click on the plus icon and select the video you want to use for your reel. I am selecting up to 3 videos at once. Before posting, Instagram allows you to edit your story. This includes adding text, stickers, or any other creative elements to personalize your story even further. Use the editing tools at your disposal to enhance your story. As you can see, I have up to 3 videos on my timeline, totaling 46 seconds. Once you're satisfied with your edits, tap Next button, usually found at the top of the screen. Then click on Share. This will post the full reel to your story, allowing your followers to view it directly from there. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.